Bold statement: Google Messages is redefining how you view photos and videos in chats, and the changes could change how you navigate media in every conversation. But here's where it gets controversial. The redesign aims to streamline media in threads, yet it may take a moment to adapt to the new full-screen viewer and grouping behavior. A refreshed photo viewer now appears when you select an image or video within a chat. The new full-screen interface centers the media, with a blurred background derived from the current photo and curved corners. You'll notice hints of adjacent items in the thread on the left and right, and you can swipe to explore them. A shortcut labeled Nano Bananas Remix sits ready to toggle full screen with a tap. Top controls identify the sender and timestamp, and include options to download or delete. A three-dot overflow menu offers forward, share, star, and view details. At the bottom, a horizontal emoji bar is displayed, which includes photomoji, and a full emoji picker can be opened from the end of that row. A small comment count appears in the bottom left, giving an inline view queue. In the conversation thread itself, Google Messages now groups together images sent at the same time for a more compact appearance. Initially, media is shown individually as it's received or sent, but once you return to the chat or reopen the app, media from the same moment will be consolidated into a single group. The photo viewer redesign is rolling out broadly to both stable and beta channels across the latest Google Messages release. The feature has been in testing since June, as noted in coverage of the ongoing Material U/3 design exploration. Additionally, a minor tweak has been applied to the full-screen camera. The bottom corners are now rounded. This adjustment is currently present in the beta channel. FTC, we use income-earning auto affiliate links. More information is available in the source. Would you prefer a quick, side-by-side media view or the expanded full-screen experience as the default? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments.